Here's how to check MongoDB cluster status. In your Atlas dashboard, select your project, select your cluster, and click View Monitoring. Here you can see your metrics, your up counters, asserts, and you can add metrics by clicking, for instance, queues, DB storage, and uplog. So this is the running metrics of your cluster, and you can go to real time to see how much resources it is consuming. So my cluster consumes 5% up to 8% CPU, and it uses 0.8 gigabyte of physical memory, and you can check the operations, query execution, query targeting, and read and writes of your hard disk. So this is how you will check MongoDB cluster status.